Hey there, rock enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the incredible National Geographic Rock Collection box for kids, a 300-piece set filled with gemstones, crystals, geodes, and real fossils that will ignite the curiosity of young geologists everywhere. This ultimate rock collection is perfect as a standalone set or a fantastic addition to any budding rockhound's treasure trove, featuring rough and polished samples of aventurine, rose quartz, snowflake obsidian, desert rose, red jasper, blue quartz, pumice, and even geode specimens. Kids will be thrilled to discover genuine fossils like prehistoric shark teeth, coprolite, gastropods, ammonites, and brachiopods, while the included accessories make sorting and identifying each piece a breeze. The excitement doesn't stop there. This kit also contains one broken geode and two unbroken geode specimens just waiting to be cracked open to reveal their crystal treasures inside. Proudly display your favorite finds in the included case and keep the rest of your collection safe in the storage bag. At National Geographic, we take pride in crafting high-quality educational toys, and we're committed to ensuring your experience is nothing short of stellar. So, if you're ready to embark on an exciting geological adventure, this rock collection is your ticket to exploring the wonders of the Earth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.